Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com.
Fluidity personified best describes this very functional and practical multifamily dwelling.
Situated in Bull Savannah suburbs on the outskirts of Junction, St. Elizabeth. This is a very safe, family-oriented community with a rich history. It is home to local businessmen and women, returning residents and civil servants. On offer is literally 4,000 square feet of usable floor space consisting of indoor laundry, oversized pantry, living and separate dining room, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2 full kitchens, and 2 other partially fitted. With only minor insertion of a drywall separation, we are able to obtain 2 additional self-contained units, thus moving from 2 to 4 family dwelling for various income generation options. The package also includes water pump, black tank, AC units, and 8 security cameras. The house sits on 0.23 acres. There are a plethora of fruit trees and green spaces, as well as seating area for outdoor entertainment. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 51.5 million or US $334.6 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.